Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the DXY, I still do believe that this is possibly the end of a wave C. If this is the end of a wave C, then this will end up continuing the downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs. That definitely doesn't mean that there won't be some bigger pullbacks on the shorter time frames, but I think on these higher time frames, we will continue to trend down. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where I do like to switch back to the DXY, the US dollar, because I do trust that one more. I definitely do see what I think is a downtrend right here, probably a wave 1. I still think there's a good chance this move up is possibly already ended a correction, but I do possibly see the possibility of this going up again to make a wave C, but I think it's actually more likely this is just going to make a correction and just keep on going down. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely do not have any structure break to the upside yet, so the trend is still definitely down on the daily time frame. And the fact that this move down right here looks more like a trend than a correction makes me think that even if it does break this high right here, it's probably just going to end up being a correction to this last move down, most likely bounce off one of these Fibonacci levels and just keep on trending down. So let's head down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we definitely have a very corrective price action going on right now. We have impulsive up, and then we have overlapping waves. Overlapping waves tells me that that is most likely a correction to this move up, and we most likely will end up continuing up, and we probably are going to break this structure, but like I was showing on the daily, I think it's just going to turn into like a bigger ABC correction, and eventually end up continuing the downtrend. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this is definitely impulsive up, and this is definitely all very corrective overlapping waves. Trying to count every single wave on these sort of time frames in a correction is pretty much useless and impossible. I think it is all a correction. It kind of looks to me like it needs to finish a wave C, but I also could see the possibility that it will just keep on going up. So I do think there is a very good likelihood that it will go up and take out this structure because we see impulsive up, and then we see very overlapping corrective waves telling me that it probably will end up continuing the uptrend. Probably going to make a big ABC correction on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.